Guys, thank you for joining me. Today's video is a craft with me video. So I did a project share on these back toppers a few weeks back, I think, and people asked me to do a tutorial. So let's do this. So just let me show you up close first. I already have the full project share if you want to watch it again. So let's get started. What I used is I used this die set from In Love Art to make the embellishments, these Starburst embellishments. So I do have a tutorial on these as well. And I used this die set from Alina Craft. I used this one to cut out the back topper. So let's get started. So the first thing you will need is to cut out your piece of paper. So I used Amy Tangerine Sunshine and Good Times collection that I hold recently. So once you cut it out, you want to score it. So you want to score in the, it will not be exactly the middle, but you want to score here. Here we go. So it's not exactly the middle. See, this part is shorter, but that's all right. So here we go. Then I layered this with a paper doily that I got on AliExpress. I got a few colors on AliExpress. So this one is the yellow one. So I'm using my liquid glue, and you don't want to put too much glue because the paper doilies are very thin. So you don't want to put too much glue. I just put also a little bit on the edge. And that's it. So you want to layer those. Here we go. And that's it. You can also, like, if you want to do some stitching here, you can. I didn't want to do that for these back toppers because I have a lot of layering. Then next thing, because I want it to recreate exactly these back toppers, okay? So the next thing I did on these back toppers is that I cut out the biggest piece in vellum. So from this set, I took the biggest piece, I cut it in vellum, and also in glitter tool. And then I will layer these two, and before I layer it, I will just fold over here, just like so, because I know it will go up here. Then I layer my tool underneath, and I will just add some liquid glue just to the back here, so that it doesn't show on the front. So you wanna layer your tool. So I just added just a little bit of liquid glue, and I will add some more also here on top, not that much, and I will layer that nicely here. And you want to press firmly for both the tool and the vellum to adhere. Here we go. So I'm just gonna leave it to dry. I'm gonna leave it to dry for now. I'm just gonna put this on top and I'm gonna leave it to dry. And now we're gonna make this little piece here. So you wanna cut a piece of 1 inch by 4 and score every 1/4 of an inch. You score at every 1/4 of an inch. Then, so I create a little triangle here because I need a piece that I can stick. Here we go. And then once I have my piece here, like that, I have my little triangle, I start folding like back and forth, okay? So let's do this. Here we go. And then I'm gonna do the same on the other side. So once you reach the end, this piece, instead of if you would keep going, you would have to fold it up, but since it's the end, you want to fold it down. So that way, here we go. So let me just squeeze it. Here we go. And you're gonna adhere it just like that. So that should be already stuck. So what I did on the back toppers is that I put my embellishment here and the other part of the embellishment here. So I will start with this one. I'm gonna add some foam tape. 2 pieces. Here we go. And I had people ask me how to match the pattern paper with the, between them, how I do to match my, my papers. Well, what I try to do is that I keep like the same color scheme. So I try to go with the paper that have the same color scheme. So for example, on this one, I have pink, coral, yellow, and light pink. So I tried to stay on this color scheme. So I used the yellow for the doily, and here for the paper I used another one with light pink, and this one with yellow as well, pink and coral. So basically I let the colors drive my I let the colors drive, and once I have a few, like 2 or 3 sheets that I can match together, then I start working with these, with the sheets that I think match together, and that's it. So that's what I do with before I start, assembling something. So now I just added some glue on the little flap underneath on both sides, and you just want to glue it down like that. And you can also add like just a little bit of glue here. You don't have to do it on all of them. Here we go. And you just keep, you don't want to press too hard. Here we go. And we're done for this part. And next, this one is not straight enough, so here we go. Here we go. Next is you decorate this part. So maybe I will add just the flower. Yeah, I like it that way. So let's do it. So these are just pieces that I cut from the 12 by 12 and the 6 by 6 as well. So I just fussy cut a few pieces like that because the ephemera was not available anymore on this collection. Here we go. Now I'm gonna add some foam to the back. And now I will also add some gold thread. Not too much. I don't want to add too much on this one. So just a little bit of gold threads. Here we go. We can't even see it. Sorry, I was off camera for a few seconds. It's just that, look, it's hidden completely behind the paper. I didn't glue it well. Anyway, here we go. And now I'm gonna add some bling. This is from Alina store. She released some very nice gemmies. So I'm gonna add a few here and there. This is too dark of a pink, so I'm gonna add a few yellow ones. And some little pinks as well. Maybe one here, one yellow here. And a few here and there. So to adhere these, for the big ones, I use the glue dots because it's easy. So for the big ones, it's easy. And for the small ones, I use my for the small one, I use the liquid glue. Works perfectly fine. Here we go. And now I will use my wet glue to add the small ones. So you just add a dot of glue. You press for a couple seconds and you're done. So I will add a small one here. These gemmies are very cute. I put them everywhere. They are so cute. I'm addicted to these. You can also put them in your shakers if you want. I didn't try to add them on shakers yet, but I will. I definitely will. So let me just press this one. Here we go. And there you have it. Now we're gonna add the charm, the little charm. So again, I will keep with the same colors. Now this one goes better. This one or this one. So I will go with this one. And we will make the charm. So just with one jump ring. I have a few sizes. Yeah, I will go with the bigger one. So just with the jump ring, because I already have holes here, I don't need to like punch a hole and add a reinforcer, and my charm is not gonna be heavy either. So just with the jump ring and just attaching it to the paper is enough, because again my charm is not heavy at all. And close it back. You just want to make sure that your jump ring is closed. Here we go. And there we go. Very easy, very cute. And you have a nice bag topper with a little charm that you can use for your for whatever, for your goodies, or that you can package and send as a gift to your pen pal. It's very easy, very fun to make, and this collection is gorgeous, definitely smelling like summer or feeling like summer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.